Hello and welcome to our series of tutorials about ZEISS extended data technology. I am Christophe, product manager for ZEISS cinema lenses, and I will show you how to record ZEISS extended data using a RED camera. So, short recap about the ZEISS extended data technology. It is based on the Cook/I technology that provides lens data like focal length, focus distance, position of the pupil, t-stop. But on top of this, it adds lens characteristics inside the lens that are distortion and vignetting, and that you can record frame by frame during your shot when you record your video clips. And this allows you to simply get rid of shooting grids in the pre-production, or even shooting gray cards is not needed anymore. How it works with a RED camera is quite simple. You need a RED camera DSMC2 with firmware version 7.1 and above that will record this distortion and shading data. You need a ZEISS lens that has this extended data capability. For example, the new Supreme Primes or the CP3XD. And later on, the DIT will need the data management tool Silverstack from Pomford in order to extract the lens data of the video clips and prepare them for use in the post-production. The advantage of the RED camera is that it records the distortion and shading data on the media together with your video clips. So there is no additional equipment needed. But there are three things we need to set up correctly in order to ensure that the data are recorded. So the first thing we need to check is that the camera has the right firmware version. So we go in the maintenance menu of the camera and check the system status on the camera info. The firmware version 7.1 and above record the ZEISS extended data, distortion and vignetting. Version below will only record the standard data like focus distance and t-stop. The second thing that we need to verify is that the lens is recognized by the camera. Normally there is nothing to do. And you can see here on the display that the lens is recognized, and when I turn the focus is changing. In case it would not be recognized, we need to verify that the settings for lens data are correct. So for this, I need to go on lens, and both sticker enable power to lens and auto detect lens must be checked. Then if I go on info, I will see the name of the lens and the serial number. This means my lens is recognized. The last thing that needs to be checked is that we record in the right file format. The ZEISS extended data and lens metadata are recorded in the R3D files only. If you record only on ProRes, the lens data will not be recorded. So let's check. Here, I will check the file format. We need to have at least R3D as one of the file formats for recording. You can, of course, record ProRes or AVIT if you want, but R3D must be one of the file formats. When all those three things have been checked, there is nothing else to do. you can just spend your time recording your video clips, shooting the whole day. The data will be recorded on the media, and the DIT will be able to extract all the ZEISS extended data later on.